Video, we will demonstrate how to do text data cleansing in Python. First, we will display the dataset. Secondly, we will demonstrate what functions to implement. Step 1. Import the library. Step 2. Load the dataset. Step 3. Display the first records. Step 4. Explore the dataset. Step 5. Generate summary statistics. Step 6. Find missing values. Step 7. Find duplicate records. Step 8. Remove duplicates. Step 9. Remove leading and trailing spaces. Step 10. Convert names to title case. Step 11. Standardize email addresses. Step 12. Standardize city names. Moreover, validate email addresses, convert dates, handle missing values, validate phone numbers, and save the clean dataset.